Let's move on now to our next big story for this hour. The Patiala House Court has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail plea of the alleged molester godman Chaitanyanand Saraswati. The order is expected later this evening. Meanwhile, shocking details have emerged in what is now being called the Molester Baba case. An FIR filed back in 2016 against Chaitanyanand Saraswati reveals his disturbing allegations including molestation of a student, mental harassment and isolation. The victim's complaint paints a chilling picture. Chaitanyanand was allegedly sending sleazy text messages to a girl student. Not only that, but the Baba locked the victims in a room and kept her isolated in the hostel. The survivor's statement further states that Chaitanyanand Saraswati snatched her phone and scolded her for speaking to other students. Remember, in this case, Chaitanyanand was arrested in 2016 following the complaint, and the institute has now disowned Chaitanyanand after 17 girls registered FIRs against the Baba. Now, this morning when the matter had come up, the Patiala House Court was informed that the matter today, in fact, was with regard to the alleged financial fraud allegations that have been raised against the Baba by the institute and the Sringeri Mutt itself. Remember, this man, Chaitanyanand Saraswati, was the administrator of the Institute of Technology and Management that is being run under the aegis of the Sringeri Mutt Trust. And what the Mutt is now saying is that this man, as the administrator, took away, diverted more than 20 crore rupees from the trust and used it for his own benefit. He is also facing allegations of holding fake passports, fake PAN cards and a fake Aadhaar card. Well, now that is where the Patiala House Court has reserved its verdict on his anticipatory bail in the fraud case. But in the molestation case, more details seem to be emerging. Milan Sharma joins me on this story. Milan, a 20 crore fraud case, an allegation of molestation of about 17 young women. This case seems to be getting murkier and murkier. What more do we know?
Well, absolutely, Anisha. For now, the bail plea has been put in reserved, and we'll know more about this in the evening as the Patiala House Court order and what it entails will be revealed later in the day. But certainly, this molester Baba and the complaints that have come forward, by the girls, wherein he kept these women locked in a room. And of course, in the complaint, the girls have alleged that he called these girls to his room and they are all, sexually assaulted and molested as well. Certainly, this Baba has been disowned by that particular trust at the moment, and more details emerging as to financial transactions of, this entire nexus that was being carried on by this molester Baba. But certainly, as you said, the case is getting murkier. More details are emerging because all corners at the moment are being investigated by the police agencies, and more will be known soon later. Anisha?
All right, thank you for that, Milan. It's a very complicated case that seems to be coming out in this particular matter. On one hand, there are allegations that women students were molested and isolated. On the other hand, serious fraud and financial mismanagement allegations.